everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we have a sponsored video by Arabella hair. They sent me over this piece. This unit is giving. Can we get into the highlights on here? Can we get into the lace? Yes, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. So they sent me over a 13x4 body wave, 22-inch frontal, okay? And they call this unit the money piece, okay? Where they at? I'm balling. I'm a boss lady. I do make all my money, but if you want to pay a bill or two, I'll take that. I'll take it. Where the ballers at? It's just giving all of that. But yes, so this wig is absolutely gorgeous. If you guys want to see me install this wig and unbox it and show you guys what you get when you do purchase this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig review. All right, you guys, so we are working with Arabella hair today. The packaging looks like this. They didn't send me like no branding or anything, but what I can tell you is that Ayaya hair and Arabella hair are like co-companies, so they work together, okay? But anyway, with that being said, let's get into this. So you're gonna get a little baggie in here. You have some lashes, an edge wrap, baby hair brush, and wig caps in here. The wig will come in a baggie like this. Oh, it's a 30-33 body wave, 22 inches. All right, it is a frontal wig. Let's get into the lace. It does look pre-plucked. So it is a 13x4 frontal wig, and we have a streak going down. It does have a middle part already going for me, so I'll probably stick with that. But this little brown color is giving, it has like a lot of red, purple, like undertone in it. But with that being said, it does look pretty good. Let's get into the parting. Okay, so this is, there is so much parting space, as you can see from the left and right down the middle. There is so much parting space. Anyway, so inside you have 4 combs, adjustable or elastic band, and adjustable strap. So the hair feels really good. It is nice and thick. It's a little tangly right now, but that's okay. It is really full though. Ayaya and Arabella hair, they always have like really full units. So never lacking in the strands, never, okay? Not stingy with the strands at all. So, okay, let's get a close up on the ends. The ends look like that. The hair looks beautiful. It feels soft and thick. I love this texture. There's no real smell. There's no real smell on this. It just smells like hair, to be honest. It doesn't smell bad at all. But, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. I'll probably pluck a little bit of the perimeter, and then I'll just watch you guys. I'll just let you guys watch me style this and put this together. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut off this extra lace too off camera, and then I will be back. All right, you guys, so I'm all done styling the hair. This is how it came out. The lace looks pretty good. The ear tabs look pretty good. I can say that this wig was big girl friendly because I cut off a lot of lace on the side, so it had extra room for some more head. I'm dead. But yeah, so this is how the hair came out. It looks so beautiful. I did curl them with this curling iron. It's like a 1.5 inch, I think. And the curls are already falling, so I don't think it's gonna hold a curl for very long, but it is looking quite beautiful. Hold on real quick. Let me show you guys the back real quick. Yes, this is how the hair is looking. I'm loving these little skunk strips. Like, what are these called? Like, I love the little highlights in the front. The highlights in the front is giving. I love it. The hair looks good from the bottom to the top, which I love that. I didn't cut like any layers. Normally I would cut like some layers in here, but I didn't want to take any color off of the highlights that are going on. So yes, so again, this is a 13x4 body wave highlighted wig. They call this the money piece. And yes, it is definitely giving money. It's giving where the ballers at. I can't stand me. Where the ballers at? But yes, this is a 22-inch body wave highlighted money piece, okay? And yes, it is beautiful, you guys, absolutely beautiful. There was a little bit of tangling throughout the wig, I can say that, but the density looks good. The color is beautiful. As you guys can see, it's kind of giving like a deep purpley burgundy red kind of situation, but yes, nonetheless, it is gorgeous. So make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig, discount code, and where you can find it. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you again, Arabella Hair, for sponsoring this video today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.